Hey friend, hey, in today's video we are making a digital product store fully on Shopify. I am starting with my logo on Canva. You already know we love Canva. I'm using their template logo. I'm just going to change the name to the name of the store that I created on Shopify. So I'm going to go ahead and download the logo as transparent so I can upload it on Shopify. And you start you start with online store, and then you'll click customize. And the theme I am using is Dawn, free theme. And I'm going to go ahead and work my way from the top to the bottom where it says welcome to my store. I'm going to change the text, and then I'm going to upload my logo. Now I'm going back to Canva to make some website banners. So I already make pre-made websites, so I'm going to use my own templates. All I do is make a copy, and then I'll go back into designing. So I'll just go ahead and remove these screenshots of the websites that I sell. I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to look up a photo in Canva to use, a stock photo, that I'm going to change the words as well, just so it matches the actual pre-made website that I'm making for digital products.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal.
And I went ahead and grabbed a frame from Elements just to sync that photo, which I got also from Canva stock photos. Now I'm changing the words of the headings just to match more of the digital business. So I made like a pre-made coaching website store. You can click the link in the description if you want to view the store. It is for sale. Let me know what questions y'all have down below, and then I'm going to go back and change the paragraphs and add some element icon pictures just to match the heading. So now I am searching each element for each heading. Scale your business. I think of like revenue, so I typed in revenue icon photos, and then I'm going to use that. And I chose a lifetime mentor photo, and then I also looked for an idea. I looked for another element for execute ideas. So this is going to be like the second part of the banner that I'm going to upload on Shopify. And then I went back just to add the name of the website at the bottom, just to give it some razzle dazzle, make the bottom not look so empty. So I'm going to go ahead and download the banners and upload those back on Shopify. I also started to realize the black was too much, so I swapped out all the black for brown, just so you know it's more cohesive and flowing together. So yeah, that's what you see me doing here. And then once I make everything brown, because the black still does not go, I went back and did everything brown. Then I'll go ahead and upload my two banners to Shopify. And from here, I'm going to click select image straight from my laptop and upload the banner that I downloaded from Canva. That's going to be the first banner I add. I'll turn down the overlay And then I'll go back and adapt to image just so the banner can fit the website. And then I'll hide all the text and the buttons. And I'm also going to do the same thing with the second banner. And to add the second banner, I did have to click add section and add section image banner. So you have to add that section on. And I'm going to go ahead and hide all the text and the words, the buttons, turn down the overlay, and I'm going to click save. I'm going to start adding my digital product cover photos, which is of course straight from Canva. So I didn't have these already made. So I'm going to show you guys real quick, if you're still watching the video, how to make a cover photo for your digital product. Just be sure to write down the website. It's called adazing.com. I will upload the cover photo straight from Canva. That's what it looks like. Going to go back to Shopify products and add the digital product. Now, this ain't how you add a digital product step by step. I made a video about that. Check out my playlist, digital products playlist. This is just how you add the cover photo, not the actual digital product, the ebook, just the cover photo, just so you guys are aware. And then I'm going to go back and capitalize the P for products because I hate how it's lowercase. I'm going to click save. So now we got 2 digital products uploaded. I'm going to go ahead and upload about 2 more just to have 4 total. I did 3 fake ebooks. These are not even real ebooks. So this is a pre-made store that I made. I sell pre-made websites. If you want to purchase this pre-made website, you can. It will be in the description just to, pretty much making your website business easier since it's already designed. So stock photos are included, but the actual digital product is not. Like I said, these are fake digital products that I made through Canva. So this is what the website ended up looking like. I like it. I got to go back and add like the footer menu and the main menu, the link in the description if you want to view it. If you're still watching, this is the app that you actually need to add digital products from your Shopify app store. Search digital, and this is the app that you need right there. So just added y'all a free gem. There you go. Let me know the questions you have down below. And yeah, this is pretty much it. From Canva, the PDF, this is what you'll attach to your ebook or course, whatever, on Shopify. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.